These are the elevators at the Cheesecake Factory at Tysons Galleria. I've tried to film these every other time I've been here, but they've been so busy. It's currently lunchtime, so maybe they'll be a little less busy. Yeah, even right now, like the lobby upstairs is very busy. ThyssenKrupp. Love these cabs. Really, I really do. There's the phone. Look at that. Okay. Going up?
Yep, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. I do really like the design on these doors. It's a very good touch to these. There goes car 2. I don't know what car 1 is. Oh, it's right here. For a few seconds, oh, it's going into nudge mode. Alright, here's car number 1. Probably someone in it, there always is. Yeah, no problem. So here's car number 1. That swing panel's all messed up. Go down. Don't mind me.
After you?
No, please.
Okay.
You have a good one.
Okay.
These have nice but quiet motors. You're gonna have to splice these together. There's the phone. Yep, ThyssenKrupp. There's people everywhere out there. Car number 1, 2,500 pounds. I love the door designs down here. These get so much use. They're always extraordinarily busy, but I'm happy I got at least 2 separate videos. I'll splice them together. There it goes. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.